Zolile Cornelia Sekeleni, Thabo James Dipolo, Nandipha Magudumana, Motenyani John Masukela, Tieho Franz Mahoza, Natasha Johnson, Zanda Boniface Moyo. Accused number 5's matter has already been dealt with, so it's accused 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 9 before you. May I at this stage request the respective legal representatives to confirm their appearances, as it pleases.
Thank you. Wait, please, Your Worship. Your Worship, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 1 and accused number 7 in this case. That's the court, please. On behalf of
May it please the Honourable Court, Your Worship, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 2 on instructions from Ryan Eastman attorneys as the court pleases.
On behalf of accused, Your Worship,
Thank you.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I confirm appearance on behalf of accused number 4.
May it please the court, Your Worship, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 6. Mr. Masukela.
Good morning, Your Worship. As it pleases the court, I confirm my appearance on behalf of accused number 8, Your Worship. Gary Potter from Gary Potter, Scheme, Your Worship. My apologies for standing, Your Worship. There's limited space for all the legal representatives to serve, Your Worship. As it pleases the court.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I'm coming on record for accused number 9 in this matter. Thank you, Mr. Matthew.
Before addressing the court in terms of postponement, can we confirm with the legal rep for accused number 9 what the position is regarding bail? As it pleases.
As the court pleases. Worship, I'm not certain if you were addressed in terms of the provisions of section 611B on the previous occasion, because my understanding is that the accused number 9 was not represented there.
Yes, you may go forth.
Thank you, Worship. Worship, my instructions from accused number 9 is that he does not have any pending cases and he does not have any previous convictions. However, I would like to qualify the previous convictions. He has instructed me that in 2015 he was arrested on a matter. I'm not sure how that matter ended. I could not get much from him regarding that. I just wanted to place that on record. However, Your Worship, no previous conviction. However, we are qualifying to say there was an arrest in the past. I just need some time to investigate how that matter ended.
Is the qualification valid?
It is valid, Your Worship. We don't want at a later stage he be accused of contravening the same section.
So why can't you say you are not sure as to whether he's got previous convictions? Because your submission is that he doesn't have previous convictions, pending cases.
I think that approach, Your Worship, is also important. Let me take that approach to say, at this stage, I cannot confirm whether there's a previous conviction or not. I'll address the court on that on the next occasion.
Right. With regards to application to be released on bail,
He will not be bringing an application at this stage, Your Worship. Therefore, he abandons his right to bring a bail application at this stage. The court may confirm same with him.
thank you.
Thank you.
Mr. Matuko, bail is abandoned.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship. Your Worship, the state will apply for the postponement of the matter in respect of all the accused until the 8th of August 2023 for further police investigations. Your Worship, briefly, the state still require some 2 witness statements, and we expecting to add 3 more suspects in this matter, and The police are still busy analyzing the cell phone and bank statements. So that is basically the period that we think the investigation shall have been completed. They are all in custody, save for accused number 2, who is out on bail, and accused number 8, who is also out on bail. As a place of court.
Thank you, Mr. Morori.
Court pleases, Your Worship. Your Worship, we do not have any objection to the postponement to the 8th of August 2020. That will be part of our court pleases.
As the court pleases, Worship, on behalf of accused number 2, we would like to make an application that he be excused from attending the proceedings on the next court appearance. Same was discussed with the state, and I believe that the state does not have any qualms with such an arrangement. This I say against the background that he stays about 1,800 kilometers return away from the jurisdiction of this honorable court, to save him expenses, traveling expenses, and also having to have his counsel appear before this court for just a postponement. I think that will be fit and fair that he be excused from attending the proceedings on the next court appearance.
As to further investigations date,
No objection. That was also discussed and agreed upon with the state.
I think I will revert back to the application you brought.
Where's the copies?
Thank you.
Thank you, Worship. Worship, the date of the 8th of August is agreed upon. I just want to make a request to this honorable court, Your Worship, as well, that because that we trying some other avenues where we want to place it on record, Your Worship, that we be supplied with a copy of a charge sheet. Just to place it on record, Your Worship. Thank you.
As it pleases the court, Your Worship, I confirm that the date of the 8th of August 2023 has been arranged with the defense and is thus suitable, as the court pleases.
Thank you.
Secondly, the said date has been agreed upon, Your Worship. Court pleases.
This is the court, Your Worship. No objection. I confirm the date, 8 August 2023, Your Worship, for further investigations.
Your Worship, I also confirm the date. No objection to the application.
Right. Now, before I adjourn the matter, let me get to Mr. Diba's application. Or rather, before that, sorry. Mr. Matoko, Mr. Diba informs me that he discussed, or rather brought to the attention of the prosecution, the application he is bringing before me, that accused number 2 be excused from the proceedings for next appearance.
Yes, indeed, he canvassed that with me, and I indicated to him that I would have no objection to same, seeing that there are bail conditions attached that he reports to the nearby police station. So that is something that we can hold on to, and therefore, Your Worship, on the fact that it is merely for further investigation, I think his attendance on the next appearance is not really necessary based on the distance that he has to come with. State has no objection as such. That's the basis.
Thank you. Mr. Diba, just tell me, because I'm thinking of the practicalities. Let's say for some other reason, the accused doesn't pitch up for some other reason. How am I going to deal with the situation, given the fact that I would have excused him from the proceedings?
Yes, Your Worship, I will be present on his behalf. I would have been informed of the reasons why he would not be in court on that day, either myself or my instructing attorney, to deal with such situations should it arise on the next court appearance.
But procedurally, isn't it that the court would have issued a warrant of arrest, or the court must issue a warrant of arrest if the accused is not before court?
Yes, the court would in terms of the law, issue that warrant of arrest, but that can be held over to the next date, depending on the reasons that would have been advanced on behalf of accused number 2.
Maybe, perhaps to understand me, on next appearance,
Yes.
accused is not coming to court because he would have been excused by the court.
Yes.
Then the other appearances, or rather let me put it this way, how then accused is going to be caused to appear before court after being excused by the court?
Your Worship, where I'm standing is like one would be putting a cart before the horse, because that situation has not yet arisen. I believe if the court had excused the accused from attending court on the next court appearance, as there are obviously means and ways, like the state had already admitted that there are conditions that has been attached to his release to ensure that there is no risk that the accused would not come to court. But for one reason or the other, should any issue arise, that will be taken up with the court on the next court appearance. And the client would be informed by the legal team of the outcome of the proceedings of the next court appearance.
Yeah, but I'm dealing with the foreseeability. Hence my question, how accused is going to be caused to appear before court? And failure for him to appear before court, then how the court should react to the same?
Your Worship, it has been a fact that when, especially relating to this matter, that when the accused cannot come to court in the main because of security reasons, the accused can, or proceedings can be conducted via a virtual platform. But as the thing stands right now, there is no history to suggest that the accused would not comply with any condition that this honorable court has imposed thus far. So hence I said my submission would be that at this point we cannot, it would not be fair to put the cart before the horse.
No, I want to be clear because there will be no date for accused number 2 to come to court. My question is, at that time, how accused is going to be caused to come to court? Because in order for the accused to come to court, they get warned by the court.
Yes.
Now, how is he going to be caused to come to court?
If the warrant has been issued and stayed over to the next court appearance, I would have informed the accused of the next court date, and if he does not come, the court would have the powers then to immediately issue the warrant of arrest for immediate execution.
But the premise on which warrant of arrest would have been issued would not be proper because the court would have excused the accused. I would have excused him. So on what basis will I issue a warrant of arrest?
I unfortunately cannot take this issue any further, save to stand by that application which I have already made.
Thank you. It will appear, Mr. Matloko, because seemingly you are in at idem. Maybe you will come to a rescue. Let me
No, I, in the light of the engagement of this honorable court, I would then maybe suggest that we at least make arrangement for him to appear on Teams, or that I arrange with a nearby correctional service facility which has facilities of AVR, that he at least appear on AVR. But I think the most suitable one would be a Teams, to appear via Teams just to allay the fears by this honorable court. I think other than him being excused completely, that we canvassed his appearance on Teams as he pleases.
Thank you. Yeah, Advocate Tiva, it is unfortunate I'm the creator of statutes. I won't go beyond the statutes or any opinion or views. The application is refused.
As the court pleases.
Accused must appear on the next appearance.
As the court pleases, Your Worship.
Thank you. Right. Ladies and gentlemen, your case is hereby adjourned until the 8th day of August 2023. Same court, court number 20A, for further investigations. Accused number 1, accused number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9. Or rather, let me rephrase. Accused number 1, number 3, number 4, number 6, number 7, and number 9. All of you will remain in custody until then. Accused number 1, accused number 3, accused number 6, and accused number 7. Bail was denied. Accused number 4, you have provisionally abandoned your right to bail application. And accused number 9. Thank you.
The 8th of August 2023, bakeng sa pasang sa tsweletseng mem go wa pele wa boraro wa bone o tshela go supa lo go go le tla motsa sponsor fela na konyeno mem go wa pele wa boraro o tshela lo go supa nzele ka ha ba le bana beni a nne ke le go tlalena mem go wa bone yena o tla a se go ya beili go tlana go metla mem go wa bedi lo wa go bedi bona tsa ba le ka ntle ka beili di pelo tsa di ntse fela jwa ene ke a le tsela e mafela ngo mhla ka 8 ka August 2023 wasifana ku isa kubeka phambili umangalo wokuqala wesithathu sine 67 baza zobe phakathi umangalo wesibili no awamangalo wesi8 baza uphuma ngebail ingamothi yebail isahleli injalo njengoba kwenze isicelo ukuthi wena ungaveli enkundleni ngomhla ka 8 ka August siyaliwe sicelo lenkundla ke tatu yavisa ke tatu uzabhala ukuthi ube khona la enkundleni nge 8 ka August kwathi uphandle amapolisa kwazi ukubeka phambili kuvakela inhlekazi
icala izongena ngesi-8 August 2023 number 1 3 4 6 7 9 usiba ngaphakathi number 4 and number 9 wena uthi amfuni ukufaka lesicelo sebail khona manje so mzonga ngaphakathi number 2 number 8 bazoba ngaphandle nebail number 2 uzoba ngaphandle nebail wena number 9 awona bail khona manje yes.
Yeah, the person who is putting a cart before a horse is my interpreter. Already interpreted what I intended to and accused number 8. Accused number 2 and accused number 8. Both of you are on bail, subject to conditions. You are both warned to come back to this court at 8:30 in the morning and to remain in attendance. Failure to appear, warrant of arrest will be issued. Your bail will be provisionally cancelled. Bail money be provisionally forfeited to the state.
Number 8 baphandle ngebail ke xa ningaziveza apha enkundleni ngamalumini 8 ka August kuza kushwa incwadi ukuthi nibanjwe ngamapolisa xa unifumanayo kuyavela kanti tata kuvakile mhlekazi nje ohawa mfo understood your worship.
Thank you. Until then.
Is the court making my request an order that I be supplied to the church?
Yeah, Chashi, it's a public document. You will have an access to it.
Thank you, Your Worship.
Thank you.
Oh, I was wondering why an order when there has not been any such request even to the state or whatever, but we will provide him with a copy of the charge.
Thank you, Mr. Murphy.
We may adjourn for now. That's right.
Okay.
not have papers.
Surprise.